Hello, folks, and welcome back for another video of the Outdoor Adventures with Austin Miller. Hope you guys are having a pretty good, blessed day. The Guardians won, which finally, it took them a while. But hopefully this time they can get on a winning streak. But I'm going to open up some more Yu-Gi-Oh cards for y'all. See which ones I get and see if I can get some good rare ones. I got these at Family Dollar a few weeks ago. It's got Yugi Moto on the front, Dark Magician and Dark Magician Girl. So, open these packs one by one and see if I can get some rare cards, but we'll see. But here's the first pack. So, let's see if we get something good. My hands are a little bit sweaty, so it's tough to open these. Well, maybe. Okay, what the heck? There we go, now I got it. So what happens when your hands are wet and clammy? Wet and clammy. But I got the first pack open at least, so see which ones we got. This is 3 cards per pack, so. Hey! I got the Dark Magician Girl. Not too bad. Doppel Warrior. And Magician of Dark Illusion. I don't have that one yet. Not bad. There's the first 3 cards. See what else? See what other good ones that we can get. I would love to have the Magician of Black Chaos. That would be neat. But, here we go. Time Gazer Magician. Pendulum Dimension. Secrets of Dark Magic. Hey. Not bad. At least it'll help to summon the Dark Magician a little bit easier. But we'll see. 2 more packs. I can always get more of these. First of all, before I open another pack, I want to dedicate this video to help honor and to honor Yu-Gi-Oh creator Kazuki Takahashi, who died and passed away earlier this year or last year from a scuba accident. My thoughts and prayers go out to all his friends and families, all his friends out there. I'm very honored to be a fan of him. I love Yu-Gi-Oh! I still got to collect seasons. I still got to collect season 5, volumes 1, 2, and 3, and then after that, I'll pretty much have all 5 seasons of Yu-Gi-Oh! On DVD. But they had them in a game machine up there at Easton. So hopefully, I find the other 3 here before long. The one, season 4, volume 1, I found that at a Dollar Tree a few years ago. So I was pretty psyched about it, but here we go. Quick Draw Synchron. Anonomata Pyra. Spell card. And Doo-Doo Wharf Google Love. Monster I haven't seen yet. It's got 1800 defense, which ain't bad. See if we can get some good ones to the last one. If not, there's always next time. Regardless, I don't give up. But hope to get something good. Here's the other 3. The last 3. Oh, dude, I got a rare card! And it's got 4,000 attack and defense. Show it to you guys here in a minute. Okay, we got another Secrets of Dark Magic. Spiral Flame Strike. And, got a rare card. That would be the Cosmic Blazar Dragon. Look at all that. 4,000 attack and defense points. Wow. Got a rare card out of another pack of Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Hey, that ain't bad. That's 2 out of 3, I guess, huh? So, not bad. Not too bad. I'm pretty happy with that. That's pretty neat. Nice and shiny, too. Look at that. All rainbow colors. Love it. But, that's all of them. Put these in my, cedar chest over here where I got my, pop figurines and all that. And, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, feel free to leave a like and comment on this video. Lots of likes and comments on this video, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more, as I will be making fishing videos and train videos, all that this year and in the future. Of course, my new tripod I got from Walmart several days ago and last week. Anyway, God bless you all. Stay tuned for more. This video is in honor of Yu-Gi-Oh! Creator Kazuki Takahashi. May God give him strength. May God give his family and strength each and every day. May God protect them. And stay strong. When we band together, we're unstoppable. But anyway, feel free to leave lots of likes and comments on this video and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more, guys. Outdoor Adventures with Austin Miller over and out. Keep it outdoorsy. Happy train chasing and slay some fish. God bless you guys. Stay tuned for more.